In this video, we are going to show you how to turn on automatic site language redirection in Shopify. Now, of course, you need to be logged into your account. Once you've signed in, you will be here on what you're seeing on the screen right now. This is going to be your admin dashboard. You're going to look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu, and this is where all the magic happens. I want you to click on Online Store under Sales Channels, right? Online Store, like so. This drop down will appear. You're going to have three options. You have themes. By default, this is what you're going to see. And then you have pages and preferences. I would like you to click on preferences like this. There you go. Wait for it to load. Once it's loaded and once you are in the preference section of your dashboard, I would like you to scroll down a little bit until you see automatic redirection, right? Under automatic redirection, you have two options. You have country and region, and then you're going to have the language. So this is what we want. By default, this is not enabled. I want you to click on this to enable it like so. Once you do that, you're going to notice that unsaved changes will pop up here. You want to either discard or click. Of course, you want to click if you want to enable this setting, and just click save like so. And as you can see, it is now enabled. And that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.